If you're a data scientist or planning to become one, you need a laptop that can keep up with complex algorithms, data processing, and machine learning tasks. But what makes a laptop truly great for data science? Performance? Portability? Display quality? Let's dive into the details and see which of these laptops stands out from the crowd. 5. Dell Precision 700-7670 Mobile Workstation. At number 5, we have the Dell Precision 700-7670 Mobile Workstation. This machine is built for demanding professionals, offering a 16-inch FHD Plus anti-glare display and powered by an Intel Core i5-12600 SHX processor. It's great for 3D modeling, rendering, and multitasking thanks to its 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB SSD. With an NVIDIA RTX 8100 8GB GPU, it handles graphics-intensive tasks well. The build quality is sleek, and the backlit keyboard and responsive touchpad add to the user-friendly experience. However, it comes with a higher price point, and its limited upgrade options for RAM make it less flexible for future upgrades. Battery life also struggles under heavy use, which may be a deal-breaker for some users. Compared to the HP ZBook Fury 16, the Dell Precision 7670 is more compact, making it easier to carry without sacrificing performance, but the ZBook offers a higher-end GPU for more intensive tasks. If you need a reliable, powerful workstation in a portable form, the Dell Precision is an excellent choice for design professionals, architects, and engineers. 4. Apple 2024 MacBook Pro with M4 Pro chip. Coming in at number 4 is the Apple 2024 MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip. With its 12-core CPU and 16-core GPU, it delivers outstanding performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display provides vibrant visuals, while the 24GB unified memory and 512GB SSD ensure smooth multitasking. Users rave about the battery life, which exceeds 13 hours of video playback, making it ideal for long working hours. It has a premium build and Thunderbolt 5 ports for excellent connectivity. While the MacBook Pro outshines the Dell Precision 7670 in battery life and integration with Apple's ecosystem, it lacks flexibility in hardware customization. It's an ideal choice for those who value long battery life and seamless integration with Apple products, though it may not be the best fit for those needing extensive hardware customization. Overall, the MacBook Pro is perfect for professionals who need both power and portability without worrying about performance dips. 3. Lenovo ThinkPad P14S Gen 5 Mobile Workstation. At number 3, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14S Gen 5 brings portability and performance in a compact 14-minute package. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 8840 processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD. The ThinkPad P14S is known for its excellent webcam featuring a 5MP RGB+ IR sensor, ideal for clear video conferencing. The 100% sRGB color accuracy on the display ensures vibrant and precise visuals for professional work. Weighing just 1.31 kg, it's lightweight, making it perfect for those who need to take their workstation on the go. The serviceable components make long-term maintenance a breeze, but the OLED display tends to drain the battery faster. When compared to the Dell Precision 700-7670, the ThinkPad's compact size and display clarity make it an attractive option for users who prioritize portability and visual quality over GPU power. It's ideal for design and engineering professionals looking for reliability, performance, and portability, though it might not suit users needing high-end graphics power. 2. MSI Prestige A16 AI 2024, number 2 on our list, is the MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus, which combines solid performance with a large, high-resolution 16-inch QHD Plus display and a 165Hz refresh rate. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 965 processor and Radeon graphics, it's a powerhouse for intensive tasks like data science, machine learning, and AI computations. The 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD provide ample storage and fast performance, ensuring that multitasking is a breeze. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures better connectivity, making it an ideal option for remote work and cloud-based applications. The sleek Urban Silver chassis adds a minimalist, professional touch. However, its 1.9 kg weight makes it bulkier than some competitors, and the battery life, while decent, lasts around 11 hours, which may not be enough for extended use. While it outshines the Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Gen 5 with its larger display and higher refresh rate, the ThinkPad wins on battery life and portability. The MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus excels in visual tasks and high-performance workloads, making it the right choice for professionals focused on graphics, data visualization, and machine learning. Lenovo V15. At number 1, we have the Lenovo V15. While it might be an entry-level option compared to the others on this list, it offers impressive value for the price. With a 15.6-inch FHD display, the V15 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 A730U processor and 40 GB of RAM, making it ideal for multitasking and handling everyday work, including data processing and some light coding. The 1 TB SSD ensures fast data access, while the inclusion of a numeric keypad and a webcam with a privacy shutter adds to its usability and security. While the build quality isn't as premium as higher-end models and the display quality can vary, the V15 still offers an excellent balance of affordability and performance. It's a solid choice for students, business users, and home offices that need a reliable laptop without breaking the bank. Compared to higher-end models like the Dell Inspiron 15, the Lenovo V15 offers more RAM and storage for the price, but lags behind in build quality and display options. If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop for day-to-day use, the Lenovo V15 is a great pick for getting started in data science. After comparing all of these fantastic laptops, the winner is the Apple 2024 MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip. While each of the laptops has its strengths, the MacBook Pro stands out with its incredible performance, stunning display, and impressive battery life. It offers a premium build, seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, and fantastic processing power, making it the perfect choice for professionals in creative and technical fields, including data science. The Dell Precision 700 07670 mobile workstation comes close in terms of power, but falls short in battery life and customization. Whether you're editing videos, creating designs, or crunching numbers, the MacBook Pro offers the best all-around experience for data science professionals. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget all the links are in the description. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing reviews.